Hi guys, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come and show you guys a quick easy deep conditioner. I'm going to make this deep conditioner for my daughter. I want to deep conditioner her hair, so I thought let me share with you guys what I'm using. So I wanted to add an egg into this, but just because she's little and I do wash the hair with liquid warm water, so I thought it's not advisable to add egg. But if I'm making this for myself, I do add egg into it because I know myself I can wash my hair with cold water. But because she's still a child, it's going to be difficult for me to wash the hair with cold water. So I thought let me just keep the egg side. So what I have banana, I have my virgin olive oil, I have honey, and my Jamaican black castor oil. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this deep conditioner. So I've already detangled her hair. I don't actually wash her hair a lot with shampoo. I do a lot of co-wash because I don't put a lot of product into her hair. So today I thought let me just come and do a quick deep conditioner. So I have all my ingredients here and I have my blender. This is my blender. This is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to mix everything together and then we're just going to blend. So I'm going to put this into her hair and then leave it for 1 or 2 hours because sometimes I want her to leave it for 30 minutes, but it's a little bit difficult because she wants to play. Sometimes I do leave it for an hour or 30 minutes. It depends on how fast you want to wash the hair. So I'm going to peel the banana off and I'm just going to put everything into this container. I'm just going to put everything into this container. Just two banana. And normally she really have a lot of hair, so because the banana is also very small, so 2 banana is good enough instead of 1. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take more extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to take a spoon of olive oil, so you guys can see, maybe 2 spoons, a spoon and a half. Put that. And then now I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil, just mix it. I'm almost out of this Jamaican black castor because I've been using it now for a while. So yeah, I love Jamaican black castor oil because it makes your hair very strong and thick. And so I'm going to take a spoon of Jamaican black castor oil, a full spoon, as you can see, just because Jamaican black castor oil is very thick. So a 1 spoon of Jamaican black castor oil is more than good enough. So now I'm going to take my honey. Honey is very good for hair shine, and this is an organic honey I picked from the organic store. It's biologisch. So yeah, honey is very good for hair. So I'm going to take a 2 spoon of honey, a full spoon. Let this one to drop because of the oil in the on the spoon, so it makes the honey comes out very easily. So I'm just gonna take 1 more spoon. So just gonna put that, get everything off. So now it's time to blend. Let's just get everything down. So now I've added everything. So this is what everything look like: the honey, Jamaican black castor oil, the olive oil. So I'm just going to close this. So now that I've closed it, I'm just going to blend everything. So guys, this is what it looks like. It is very smooth. Let me guys show you. It is very smooth. It feels like cream, so I can actually put this into the hair. You guys can see because of the oil in it. Can you guys see the oil shining through? So this is very good. It blends very smoothly. It blends like baby food. Like you can't even tell that this is a deep conditioner for the hair. And so you guys can see it blends really smoothly. So now I'm just going to apply this into her hair and then leave it on her head for a couple of minutes or an hour, and then rinse the hair, and then I'm about to style the hair. So I do this deep conditioner treatment once every other week. So for example, if I do it today, next week I won't do it, and then the other week I will do it. And I do also use sometimes not other conditioner I pick from the store, but I try as much to make my own deep conditioner at home every other week. And sometimes what I also do is I do make the rice water. I do spray the rice water on her head and then leave it, wrap it with a shower cap, and then with a towel, let it steam into her hair, and then rinse it out. So I do use that also as a deep conditioner. And I also do use aloe vera gel, even though I don't have a lot of aloe vera gel around my area, but once in a while we do have aloe vera gel, which are a little bit expensive. I do buy it and then cut some of them and then use that as a hair mask on the kids' hair. I also use it on my own hair sometimes. But yeah, this is the deep conditioner I make today. So I'm going to use this on her hair and then leave it to set